We want to celebrate the incredible diversity of apps that call Canada home. From coast to coast, there are some great options. Here are some apps from Canadian developers that you should know. 1Password. Developed by AgileBits in Toronto, it's a password keeper that works across macOS, iOS, Android, and Windows. You can use it for just yourself, your entire family, or for your business. There are plugins for all the major browsers that make it easy to use your master password to unlock site-specific logins, keeping you safer.
One of my absolute favorite shopping apps has to be Flipp with 2 Ps. This allows you to search all of the flyers for Canadian stores that are publicly available, but also search all the online sales as well. So it's a really great way to quickly find where the best deal is for a particular product is, but also just to browse flyers to see what's on sale at a given store on a particular week without having to deal with actual paper flyers. It's a very great free app and a website.
TransitApp. Developed in Montreal, Transit is a must-have for anyone that takes public transit. It uses GPS and integrates into most major transit systems, so you can plan your routes and even find out when the next bus or train is due. It's smart enough to figure out the fastest way from A to B depending on traffic, so you don't have to do all the steps yourself.
A very unique Canadian app that we came across not too long ago is ConverStory. It's by North Vancouver developer Mark Hagginson, and the idea is that it's a conversation visualizer. It will allow you to run the app on an Android phone, not available for iOS, unfortunately. The app will actually go out and get appropriate imageries based on the words that are being said during the conversation. You can actually cast it via Chromecast to your TV from your Android device and actually have a visual story to follow along as you're having a conversation with a friend or family member.
Apollo. This one's my favorite. Reddit is a massive social community that brings user-submitted news from a bunch of different categories. The official Reddit app is good, but for iOS users, the app of choice is Apollo, developed in Canada. It's faster, more beautiful, and makes it easy for you to consume and contribute content on Reddit. This is just a short list of all the great apps that are developed in Canada. So whether you are Windows or Mac or Linux, iOS or Android, it's a great time to use apps that are developed by Canadians.